Powered through simplicity, 5G made easy. We are proud to have the first 5G private campus network in Germany here in our campus. Have a look.
Private 5G networks become more and more important and have a lot of advantages. From uninterrupted connectivity and real-time communication to increased security, factories, ports, travel hubs as well as the military industry benefit from faster response times and better reliability. Panasonic TOUGHBOOK enabled the first German 5G campus network PoC with 2 cells at Panasonic Campus Munich. Easy configuration and maintenance as well as easy roof installation make this network very appealing.
So, now it's your chance to come to visit us and get a free hands-on demonstration of the innovative 5G campus network. Register below. See you then!